Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by setting the multimeter to the continuity function or the lowest ohms range. This choice tells the meter to beep or show near zero resistance for a connection. Next, make sure the circuit power is off and any capacitors are discharged to avoid false readings or damage. Now attach the black lead to COM and the red lead to the V/omega jack. That wiring is essential because reversed leads can still work, but consistent placement prevents confusion. Once done, check the meter on itself by touching probes together to confirm a beep. You proceed by isolating the part under test, remove one component leg, or disconnect one side of a trace when possible to avoid parallel paths skewing results. Then touch the probe tips firmly to the target points. Good contact matters because a light touch can read intermittent continuity. Observe the meter. A steady beep or a low ohms reading indicates a conductive path, while no sound and an OL or high resistance means open. Once you have a reading, record or remember it before moving to the next point. You finish by confirming results against expected behavior or a schematic. Continuity alone doesn't prove full functionality, but it shows whether a path exists. If a reading is unclear, retest while reversing probe positions and wiggle the leads and component to reveal intermittent faults. This helps catch cracked solder joints or broken traces. If continuity remains open where it should be closed, consider replacing the component or reflowing the solder. One key troubleshooting tip. If the meter beeps unexpectedly,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.